2 cups of steamed white rice, half cup of diced red pepper and yellow pepper, 2 scallions that I cut up as well, and some chopped garlic and ginger, diced pork, and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and sesame oil and salt. And now the fan is already warmed, and we have to put the this olive oil into the fan. Not much. And you have to notice that the heat that we use is high heat. First, put the chopped ginger, scallion, and garlic into the fan. Fry it. You put the pork. And then the yellow and red pepper. Put the pepper into the half-cooked pork. And the mushrooms. Finally, our steamed rice. And next you can put some sesame oil, just like 1 or 2 teaspoons. It depends on you. And the soy sauce, also 2 teaspoons. It's really depending on your flavor or personal taste, but if you think that it needs some salt, so you can just add some salt. Because some soy sauce doesn't have any salt in it. The color already changed. But the flavor is good too. Make it out. This is the finished edition of fried rice. You guys have to taste it and try it at home.